What's going on, Airsofters? Today we will be taking a look at one of the most unique submachine guns in the world. This is the video review of the KWA MP7 A1. The MP7 in the real world is a gas-operated personal defense weapon, or PDW for short. It's chambered for the H&K 4.6 by 30mm cartridge and is used by the German police, army, and GSG-9, which is Germany's counterterrorism unit. The MP7 has one big advantage over almost all submachine guns. Its unique round can penetrate body armor. This is one perk that no other 45 or 9mm weapon possesses. The MP7 sure is a compact gun. It only measures 16 inches with the stock collapsed. Despite the cliche, I was amazed by how much firepower I could deliver in such a small package. Just like the real one, the KWA MP7 is made from a high-density polymer. Metal parts include the 48-round magazine, selector switch, bolt catch, side and top rails, flash hider, and the iron sights. The KWA MP7 is also very decorated with H&K trademarks. This is because the gun is licensed through Umarex. The H&K MP7 features integrated pistol sights and rifle sights. At long ranges, it's best to be using the rifle sights. You can do this by flipping up the sights. The MP7 features an ambidextrous selector switch as well as bolt catch. It also has a convenient vertical grip that can be flipped up by pulling down on a tab. To retract the stock, simply press down on the button on the back of the receiver and pull back the stock. There are two sling attachment points on each side of the gun. Unfortunately for most slings, you can't mount it directly to the gun. I recommend either using a keyring to attach the sling to the gun, or use an MP7 sling attachment adapter. The trigger on the KWA MP7 is very responsive, and the recoil is also very crisp. Included with your MP7 should be a tubular-shaped piece like this. It's meant for adjusting your hop-up. All you have to do is place the tubular piece included with your MP7 in the hole above your outer barrel, and then turn it clockwise for more hop and vice versa. Personally, I really like the KWA MP7. The gun is very ergonomic and fits naturally into your hands. There isn't any cheap material involved in building the gun either. So for looks and exterior quality, the KWA MP7 has earned a 10 out of 10. The performance on the KWA MP7 is also stunning. My only complaint here is that the performance may be a little bit too much. I say this because for a CQB gun, it shouldn't be firing over 350 FPS. So for performance, the KWA MP7 has earned a 9 out of 10. The final score of the MP7 is a 9.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching my review of the KWA MP7. I hope you enjoyed.